Well, it is Monday, Memorial Day, and Larry and I met up in Fruitland at 8 a.m. and drove up to Washington, Missouri, and then Marthasville. And what's the creek canyon we're going to ride, Larry?
Charrette Creek.
Charrette Creek. And it's going to be hot, but it's lower humidity than normal, and a lovely breeze is blowing. And we're in the parking lot of the Katy Trail in Marthasville, Missouri, getting ready to have an adventure. This is the kind of road we've been riding on, crossing back and forth over this creek, and I'm just following Larry, and supposedly the road is going to go into the creek eventually. This is probably the 4th or 5th crossing we've had. Lots of bluffs, very pretty. Larry, this is fun.
Well, this road ended up being great.
Lost Creek Road.
Yeah.
Haven't met any oncoming traffic for miles, and we're 47 miles into our trip on Lost Creek Road. Had lunch in, where did we have lunch? Warrenton? This is about probably 15 or 20 that we've ridden through. We couldn't see the bottom, so there he's going exploring.
Rocks right here. Come out and go right between these two rocks. And it never gets any deeper than knee deep. Actually, if you'll follow
Well, it kind of looks like we're both equally dirty. Had a great ride. We're on our way home. Stopped in Perryville for some petrol in the Big Black Beast. And at the end of the day, we'd gone 80 miles. This is the way to go home in style after a motorcycle ride. Good day, wasn't it, Larry?
You betcha.
How many miles was it?
80 miles.
Of
wonderful riding.
We forded some streams, we rode through some mud, we waded up to our knees, brought home a lot of creek water in our boots. Good day.